Banksia spinulosa, or the Hairpin Banksia, is a popular evergreen Australian native shrub that grows to around 2 by 2 metres. The dense foliage is dark green and needle-like, making for a good screen or hedge. These handsome plants produce very attractive flower spike cones that can be up to 20 centimetres long and appear from autumn through winter to spring. Old cones remain on the plant indefinitely, unless of course you trim them off. If grown in full sun, they need little maintenance, but if there's too much shade, they can become a bit sparse in the middle. Banksia spinulosa are easy to grow, with long displays of colourful flower cones which attract nectar-feeding birds, bees and insects to your garden. They also make excellent cut flowers. There are also some new dwarf cultivars that are gaining popularity, like birthday candles, coastal cushion, Stumpy gold and cherry candles, amongst others.